It's a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, push-button start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports Outlander has a fresh look that's highlighted by an adventurous new grille. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.